Hey guys, I made a decorative glam table lighting. This is a unique lighting that is easy and inexpensive to make. I am so excited to share with you guys the step-by-step procedure in making this. Now let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using embroidery hoops and wooden strips to get the project started. And I'll be making use of just 4 of the wooden strips and gluing them to the embroidery hoops using a hot glue gun for now, and then I'll later go around with an A6000 glue. I cut a round foam board to the measurements of the embroidery hoop and glued it at the bottom, and then I spray painted it silver. To keep it shiny enough, I will be using my mirror mosaic tiles, and a full list of all the items used will be in the description box below. I'm cutting strips of the width that I'll be needing to cover up the hoops. And they're self-adhesive, so they're super easy to use. The bottom part is kind of rough, so I'll be covering it up with self-adhesive gems that I got from Walmart. If you look closely, I covered inside the hoops and the sticks also with the mirror mosaic tiles. So this is a candle holder that I plan on putting it in the middle. But then for now, I'm going to be cutting my large ornament ball somewhere around this point to create an opening for the light to pass through, and I'm doing that with a soldering iron. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. After I was done with that, I started making holes around the ornament ball. And this is where I intend to hang my garland beads. So the hole needs to be close enough to where it's been cut at the bottom to make it easy for the garland beads to pass through. I ended up making 16 holes in total. This is what the garland beads look like, and that's what I'm going to be hanging on my ornament ball. When I was done hanging the beads, I kept it aside and then took a round mirror candle holder from the Dollar Tree and cleaned it properly. And then I'm going to be gluing on my candle holder in the middle of the mirror. I'm using a strong adhesive for this, and I left it for some few hours to dry. Now I'm going to be gauging it in the middle of what I made earlier and gluing it on, also with a strong adhesive. And now I'm going to be putting on the ball that I arranged with the garland beads on top of it and making it sit at the top of the embroidery hoop and making sure it's fit properly before gluing it down. For the lighting, I'm going to be using paper lantern, detaching the lighting from the paper. The lighting is super bright and I love the way it shines inside. Now for convenience, I can also use a push light that uses a remote. The setup for the overall lighting is fine, but to give it a little bit of height, I got a candle holder from the Dollar Tree and spray painted it silver. And I just placed it on top without gluing it first, just to see if I like the idea. Now this is going to be depending if you want it high or low. I just left it the way it is and I placed it on a table, and I love the way it looks. And at night, it shines so bright, and I love the reflection that it gives off. This is a decorative lighting to amp up your style and personalize your decor in a unique way. This was so easy to make, and the turnout looks so glam and so chic. I also love how it goes with the rest of the decor around it. I'd like to know what you guys think about this stylish lighting, and if you prefer it with the stand or without the stand. And remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.